أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today our topic is Murakkab Adadi. First we people learned that ism ka istimal, the use of noun. Then we read in the use of noun Murakkab. Then the two kinds of Murakkab, Murakkab Nakis and Murakkab Tam. Then further we people learned the kinds of Murakkab Nakis. Then today we people will learn the last kind of Murakkab Adadi. Murakkab Adadi, it is the numeral compound. It is such a compound which is the most application in our daily life. For example, if we say to the hotel manager that 10 breads, in the 10 breads is a numeral compound Murakkab Adadi. 10 is Adad and the bread is Madud. There are so many examples of the Murakkab Adadi in our daily life, but our purpose is that the Murakkab Adadi is so compulsory because it is used in our daily life the most. Now we people read it in Arabic grammar, Murakkab Adadi numeral compound. There are two parts or two components of Murakkab Adadi. First one is Adad and the second is Madud. Adad is number. The number is known as Adad in Arabic language or Urdu language, and the Madud, the thing to be counted, is known as Madud. For example, one pen. In this, the one is the number and the pen, because the pen is counted, then the pen is known as Madud. In English language, the Adad comes first and the Madud, the thing to be counted, come at the last. Now we discussing some Adad. In Arabic language, the numbers, one is for masculine and the other is for feminine. For the masculine is this and for the feminine is this. The first number is 1. The word used for 1 in Arabic language is wahidun, and wahidun will be used for the masculine, and it's feminine, wahidatun. We added ta marbuta with this, and now it is made wahidatun, and we will use for feminine. For the two, it is the word used in Arabic language is isnanun. When it come to the muannas, feminine, then it will be made isnatane. For 3, salasun, and feminine, salasatun. Ta marbuta will be added to this and it will be made of feminine. Arbaun, used for 4, and arbaun is in masculine form. Arbaatun is in feminine form. Khamsun used for 5 and khamsatun used for 5 but for feminine. Sittun, it is used for 6 for masculine, and muannas used for feminine. 6, sittun for masculine, and sittatun, ta marbuta has added to sittun and it is made sittatun, and now it is used for feminine. Sab'un, used for 7, and sab'un is masculine number, and sab'atun, it is a feminine number. Samaniyun or samanun, it is used for 8 but for masculine, and samaniyatun, it is for feminine. Tis'un, it is used for 9 but for the masculine, and if the 9 things but the things are the feminine, then we will use tis'atun, ashrun for 10 and ashratun for 10, feminine. Now the first two numbers, the Murakkab Adadi part Adad was, if it was a first 1 or 2, wahidun or isnani, then its configuration will as the configuration of Murakkab Tawsifi. For example, in Murakkab Tawsifi, Mawsuf come first and sift adjective come after the Mawsuf. In this, Murakkab Adadi will be Madud come first and Adad will after the Madud. Its configuration is same because here in Murakkab Tawsifi, Mawsuf come first and sift after the Mawsuf, and in this Madud and Adad, it keeps a similar value in the grammar. Example of first is ilahun wahidun. Ilahun wahidun, one or alone, God. In this, Ilahun is Madud. It is used for the Allah Almighty because it is counted in this Murakkab. And the one or alone, it is the one is the number or Adad. Similarly, for two, the example of two is Zawjain Isnaini, two pairs of the universe. Zawjain used for pairs and Isnain used for two. Isnaini is Adad, number, and Zawjain is Madud, and it's the configuration of Murakkab Tawsifi. Now, if the Adad is from 3 to 10, then its configuration of Murakkab Izafi. For example, in Murakkab Izafi, Muzaf comes first and Muzaf ilay after Muzaf. In this, the value keeps as Muzaf is Adad, then the Muzaf will come, then the Adad in Murakkab Adadi will come first and the Madud will come after the Adad. Example with us is, for 7 is Sab'a Samawatin, 7 skies. In this, the 7 is Adad and the Samawatin is Madud because Samawatin has been counted. Another example for it is for 6, Sittatu Ayyamin. Allah Almighty used this Murakkab Adadi in Holy Quran, said that we people created the whole universe in 6 days. For the 6 days, the 6 days is a Murakkab Adadi, and using the Holy Quran, Sittatu is Adad and the Ayyamin is Madud. Jazakumullahu khair.